TMC leader George B. Lyngdoh today refused to comment on reports of him planning to join the NPP. While speaking to a section of the media, Lyngdoh said that even if such political developments take shape, he will first need to discuss with his leaders, supporters and family members. He, however, applauded the TMC leadership for projecting him as one of the potential candidates to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha polls from the Shillong parliamentary seat. According to him, it will be a huge responsibility if he decides to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha polls.
Kepingan sumuram miki nung ilang jonga ba kipenpa ke kiteng jonga kabunta kenika MP election 1 syong ka parti no ka bakan rai but sushi maladi bakan nung kam bangile lom kam pok ji lam ju president kalau ke bersetunan